and welcome back to TensorFlow. So today we are going to solve another Leetcode problem on strings topic. So this is going to be our third problem on this topic. So today we are going to solve this problem, longest substring without repeating characters. So now let's go and read the problem and see what the problem statement is. So this is question number 3 on Leetcode, longest substring without repeating characters. So the question is, given a string S, find the length of longest substring without duplicate characters. So we have given a string and we have to find the longest substring in that string without repeating characters. So let me explain you what this question is. So the question is, we have given a string. Let's take an example. Let's say we have this string pwwkew, pwwkew. So this is the given string. We have to find the longest substring in this string without repeating characters. So first let's see what the substring is. So the substring of this string can be this single character p. This is of one length substring. We can take this pw. This is of two length substring, and we can take pww. This is of three length substring. But the problem here is we have a repeating character in this substring, which is pww. So we can't consider this substring in our solution. So we can only consider the length of substring without repeating characters. So we have to calculate the maximum length of the substring without the repeating character. So now we know what is the substring. Now let's see how we can solve this. So we can simply start like this. So we will take this character, and this is also a substring. So this is of one length. So we got the maximum length of substring. Let's create a maximum variable here. So let's say the maximum length substring is of length 1. So now we will take this combination pw. So now we have pw. So the maximum length substring is 2. Now let's consider this. So we have pww. So now these two characters are repeating in the substring, so we will not consider this. So now the maximum length of the substring is 2 again. Now we will remove this character from left side, this character from left side, and we are left with only this w. Now we will take this w and this k. So we have wk. Again we have maximum length s2. Then we will consider this w, this k, and this e. So now we have wke. Now the maximum length is 3. Then we will take this w, this k, e, and this w. Now this is again the repeating character. So we will remove this character, and we will take this as our substring. So now the longest substring is 3. So the maximum length in this variable is 3. So the longest substring in the given string is of 3 with no repeating character. So let's see the answer. So yeah, this is 3. So this is how we will approach the solution. Now let's see how we can do this. So this is the rough algorithm. Now let's see how to code this. So for dealing with duplicate characters or repeating values, we will use set data structure, which is obvious because set is a data structure that don't allow storing duplicate values. So we will use set data structure. So we have empty set here, and now we will start iterating over the string. So let me just copy this string here. P w w k e w. Yeah, so we will create an empty set. We will create an empty set, and we will use a maximum variable. Now we will start from here, from left side, and we will store this p in the set. So we will check if this p is already in the set or not. If this p is not in the set, then we will add this. So we have added this p in the set, and now the maximum length of our substring is 1. Then we will add these two, p and w. So p is already there, so we will add w. So now we have added w in our set, and now the maximum length is 2. And then we will add this. So we will check if this w is already in the set or not. So this w is already in the set. So we will start removing characters from the left side. So we will remove this. We will remove until we reach to this point. So we will remove p, and then we will remove w, and now we are left with only this character. So we will store this w in our set and start calculating the maximum string. So this is the approach. Now let's see how to code this, and after writing the code, we will dry run this, so you will get the clear understanding. So let's create an empty set here. So let's say we have st equal to set. So we have created an empty set here. Now we will start from the left side. So we will create a left pointer here. So left starts with 0, and we have to store the length of maximum character. So we will create one more variable maximum, which will be started with 0. Now we have to iterate over the string. So we will use a for loop for r in range of s. Now we will iterate over this string, and what we will do is we will first check that the character we are searching for is already in the set or not. If the character is already in the set, then we will remove that character. Let's say we are now our left pointer is here and our right pointer is here, and we have to store this w in the set. So first we will check if this w is already in the set or not. If this w is already in the set, then we will remove characters from left side until we reach to this point. Why we have to remove these characters? Because see, we have pww. If we will remove this character, we have left with 2 w's, but still we have a repeating character, so we have to remove this w also. Then we will reach here. So our left and right pointer will point here. So whenever we will find a duplicate character, we will check if that character is still in the set or not. If the character is still in the set, we will keep removing the characters from left side until we reach to the right pointer, left and right. So we will check, we will use a while loop here. While s of r, which means the right character, which means this w, s of r in set. If this is the case, then we will remove the character from the set. So we will remove st dot remove. We will remove this character from the set. So s of l. So we will remove the first character, and after that we will again check if the character is in the set or not. This right character is in the set or not. So we have w here. So we will again remove this character. So then we will increment the left pointer plus equal to 1. And then if the character is not in the set, then we will add the character st dot add. We will add this character s of r, and then we will calculate the maximum length. So maximum length will be calculated like, so if you want to calculate the length of a substring, so let's say we have this length wke. So our left pointer is pointing here and our right pointer is pointing here. So this is 0 1 2. So we will minus 2 from 0 and plus 1 in this. So we will get the length 3. So we will minus right from left and add 1 in this. So we will get the length of string. So we will do the same here. So we have to find the maximum length. So we will use maximum of the current value and the value we are getting from the calculation. So r minus l plus 1. So this is the from this we will get the maximum value. After that we will return it, simply return it here. Now let's run the code and see if it is working or not. So yeah, it is working. Now let's submit it and see whether it is working with all the other test cases or not. So yeah, it is working perfectly fine. Now let's try run this code and see how this code is working. So let me just copy it here, the code, and let me select the pen. Okay, so now we have the substring pwwkew. Now we have created a set here. So we have empty set, let's say this, and now we are starting our left pointer from here. So our left pointer is pointing here, and our maximum variable is currently 0. Now we will start iterating on this string. So our right pointer is also here on first iteration. So our right pointer will point here. Then we will enter in this loop, and here we will see while s of r, which means this p in st or not, whether this p is in our set or not. So this p is our set is empty, so this p is not there. So we will directly come here and execute this command. So st dot add, which means we are adding this p in the set. So we will add this p in the set. After that we will calculate the maximum again. So maximum will be max of m and the current length. So max of m is 0, and this r minus l plus 1 equal to r minus r will be 0 and plus 1 will be 1. So the maximum length is 1. Then we will again go here And now we have w. Now we will shift this pointer here. So in R we have w. So we will again check if this w is in our set or not. So this w is not in the set, so we will add this, and again we will calculate the maximum length. So the maximum length will be 2. Then our right pointer will shift here. Then again we will check if this w is in the set or not. Here we will check if this w is in the set or not. So this w is in the set already, so we have to remove from we have to start removing the characters from here. So we will remove this p. Then we will again increment our left pointer from here to here. Then we will remove this w, and then we will again check if this character w is in our set or not. So now we have removed w, so w is not there anymore. So then we will again add this w. So if the character is not in the set, then we have to add the character, so we will add this w. Now our right is pointing here and our left is pointing here. Then again our right will move here, and we will again calculate the maximum length. So maximum length will be 2. Then our right will be shifted here. Then again we will calculate the length. So our length will be 3. Then again our right pointer will be shifted here. So now we will see if the character is in the set or not. So this w is already in the set, as we can see. So we have to start removing the character from left side. So we will remove the character until we have removed this w from the set. So we will remove this w from the set, and we will add this k, e, and w in the set, and we will again calculate the length. So the maximum length will be 3 here. So this is how this code is working. So if you will dry run this code by yourself, then you will get the clear understanding what the solution is. And so yeah, this was the solution for longest substring without repeating character, and this is the most optimal solution. So thanks for watching, and